Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. I'll share my personal experience, what's great, what's not, and whether it's worth buying. So let's get into it. Design and build. First off, Samsung nailed the design on this one. The brushed aluminum-like frame makes it feel premium, and the clean back with a new camera cutout gives it a modern look. It genuinely feels like a higher-end phone, which is great for a mid-range device. Display. The display is solid, as you'd expect from Samsung. Colors are vibrant and you get a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. However, the bezels are uneven, especially with a slightly larger chin at the bottom. Not a deal breaker, but something to note if you like symmetry. Performance and battery. Now let's talk performance. The Exynos chipset holds up surprisingly well. I tested Mobile Legends on the highest settings, and it ran smoothly with minimal battery drain. However, if you're into heavy games like Genshin Impact, this might not be the best choice. Battery life is great, and Samsung finally improved charging speeds with 45-watt fast charging. It's not as fast as some competitors, but still a big upgrade. Unfortunately, no charger in the box, so you'll need to buy one separately. Cameras, the weak spot. Here's where things take a hit. The camera is just average for this price. Colors are neutral, details aren't the best, and there's no telephoto lens, so zooming in isn't great. If camera quality matters to you, there are better options out there. Haptics and user experience. One more downside, haptics. Samsung still hasn't improved its vibration motor, and it lacks the crisp feedback found in other mid-range devices. Not a deal breaker, but something I noticed while typing. Final thoughts, should you buy it? Overall, the Galaxy A56 is a well-built mid-range smartphone with notable improvements in design, display, performance, and charging speeds. However, its camera quality and haptics leave something to be desired. If camera performance is a top priority for you, you may want to explore other options. That said, if you're looking for a solid all-around device with a premium feel, good battery life, and decent gaming performance, the Galaxy A56 is worth considering. Would I recommend it? I'd say it's worth shortlisting. While it's not perfect, it could still be a great fit depending on your needs. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.